Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to open your Pinterest account. So let's go to Chrome first. Choose any of this. Now, right here, Pinterest. Sorry, not Pinterest. Pinterest. Click on the first link. Then you find here your name with your email address. Click on continue as your name. Now click on sign up. Enter your date of birth. Click on create account. Your account has been created. Choose your gender. Now choose your language. You can use this. What are you interested in? That photo will come in your wall. Okay, hold on a second. Your account is ready right now. Let's check it. Go here, top right corner. Then click on edit profile. Then just okay, click on save if everything is okay to you, or if you want to change something you can change it from here, or you can reset it. Okay guys, go to home and your profile is ready. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.